I had never in my life thought that I would be in that position. I figured I'm a fairly small guy, I take care of myself, I'm easy on my body. So to have my body fail me, kind of was a bit of a shock to the system. Did my first Ironman in 1985. In addition to that, I've done all kinds of other races. I've done hundreds of them, including 15 Ironman races, as well as 4 Hawaii Ironman World Championship races. About 4 or 5 years ago, I started slowing down on the run. Now, a lot of that obviously is due to my age. And my hips started bothering me. And I thought, I pulled a muscle or something, and it just, never really got better. So I went to see an orthopedist. So we did various things, PT, cortisone shots, gel shots, all these other things. And then my knee started acting up.
So Marc had advanced arthritis in both his knee and his hip on the same leg. And because of that, he could no longer ski or snowboard or do his mountain biking. He was in incredible pain, and he wanted to get rid of the pain and return to the things that he loved to do.
So I went to see Dr. Ayers, and he said, we could do your knee, but before we do your knee, we need to do your hip.
Marc has been with us for both his hip replacement surgery and his knee replacement surgery. So what happens is, typically a few hours after surgery, they're ready to move.
He was very motivated. He was ready to go, and he was able to go home the same day as the operation. I mean, these are truly life-changing procedures, and they're only going to get better and better as time goes on.
I actually got back to skiing 3 months later, early December. And I still remember after that first run, thinking that if Dr. Ayers were here, I would hug him. Because for the first time in a number of years, I could ski pain-free. To me, that was everything. I have visions of getting back into triathlon. I would like to do one more Ironman at least. We'll see how the spring comes when the weather gets better. I can train more. If things go well, we'll see what we can do.